How to add PayPal payments to Shopify. To add PayPal to a Shopify store, you may follow up these steps. So let's head over to Shopify admin page, which is this one right here. And once you are logged in, go to the menu at the top left, and from there, go over the settings in the bottom right corner and open up the settings for your admin page of Shopify. Once you tap on it, a menu appears on your screen of settings. From here, you need to scroll and look out for the option called Payments, which is right under Users and Permissions. Tap on it. Once you find it up and open it up like this, and you will be finding option to add a payment method. So here you can just go ahead and select the option of payment method. You can look out for add payment method option here. And once you do so, you can search for PayPal here. And once you find PayPal, you can just go ahead and add it up here in this box, and in the uh, section you can just go ahead and add it up, or if not from here, if you don't find it under there, you can look out for manual payments or payment other options, and there you can just go ahead and add up the details, follow the on-screen instructions to provide your business and personal details to set up or connect to PayPal account, and review the policy and permission statements, and you can click on agree and create account, and once it is confirmed, your PayPal will be added to Shopify. So that is it for today's video. If you'd also like to add people, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.